Hello guys, good morning.
Lumang na kaya ko na. Yung bakal niya, tapos kipanan pa niya.
Oh guys, uli rin na Baloy Long Beach Resort. Ito yung aking kaibigan dito guys, kababayan ko pa. So dito tayo guys. Dito tayo guys sa Baloy Long Beach Resort.
Hello
So
po.
ito guys, oh.
Nasa Macoy Beach Resort po tayo sa loob ng Baloy.
Macau ba?
Macoy.
Macoy. Oh guys, good morning. Guys, kung makikita ninyo guys, talagang maganda dito guys. Yan po yung beach front guys. Yung White Castle, patalastas dati sa TV. Yan po yung White Castle guys. Yan. Tapat po nito guys sa Grande Island. Oh, hello guys. Good morning. Have a nice day. Oh, dito tayo guys sa Baloy Long Beach.
Bitar.
Maganda dito guys. Yan guys. So, swimming tayo guys. Swimming tayo ngayon. So, yan guys, ang ganda dito guys. Yan yung White Castle guys. Grande Island na rin. So, thank you for watching. Good morning.